I've had several people ask me on how to live stream and record their meetings or PD. So I wanted to make a quick video to show you how to use YouTube and Google Hangouts on Air to do the live stream and recording. So the first thing you want to do is go to YouTube, and once you're there, click on your avatar at the top right, and then click on Creator Studio. Under Creator Studio on the left-hand side, click on Live Streaming. And then under that, click on Events. Then from here, you can actually create a new live event at the top right. And then fill in the information for your Hangout on Air. All right, so you can see that I filled out some of the basic information for my live stream here. And a couple things I want to point out. You want to make sure that you set the dates and times appropriately and double check these before you hit save or create event. Just because I've seen this sometimes switch to today for some reason. I don't really understand why it does that, but just double check your date and time before you create your event. The other pieces, make sure that your live stream is unlisted, because if you make it public, then anyone can join that goes on YouTube, which you probably don't want. And if you make it private, then you have to specifically invite individuals into your live stream. So the best option is to just make it unlisted and then share the link to your live stream with the individuals that you want to join. The last piece is the type. Just make sure that you have Quick selected, and that allows you to use Google Hangouts on Air for your live stream. Once you have all this information in there, you just click on Create Event. And if you have this live stream going on live now, it will say something different that will allow you to open up the live stream immediately. So if I go down here, I can see here's my sample live stream, and I have a couple options here. I can edit the live stream, so if I want to edit any of those settings, I can. If I click on sample live stream at the top, that actually takes me to the link for the live stream itself. So this is actually what my viewers for this live stream would see if they followed the link. And if you just want to get that link to the live stream, just click on share, and it will pull up the link that you can then copy and share with those that you want to participate in your live stream. Those that do participate in your live stream, they will see the video feed here, and they will hear the audio. They can also interact using the chat here on the side, which you can monitor during the live stream. You will need to go to this page in order to see the chat. So if you go back to this page with your events, there's also the option to start a Hangout on Air. So if I click on this, it will open up the Google Hangout on Air. So there's a few options here. If you want to start the broadcast, what this does, it would immediately start the live stream. So even though you have it scheduled for a certain time, you have to go into this link and click on Start Broadcasting in order for your live stream to start. And then when you're done, you'll click on the button down here to stop the live stream. And then whatever you see on this screen is what people will see in that live stream. So make sure that you have this video on whatever you want it to be, or if you want to share the computer screen, which is what a lot of people want to do, you want to click on this share screen option, and then this will allow you to share your computer screen, and you can select the entire desktop or certain windows. I would suggest to just select the entire desktop just to make it easier. And just a reminder, whatever you see on your screen is what people will see in the live stream. So if I'm sharing my screen, I want to make sure that I minimize this so that way people don't see the actual window here. And you do want to make sure that you click on Present to Everyone in order for people to see it in the live stream. So if you do that and you minimize, then people will see whatever you have shared on your screen.